Before we get started, shout out to Dan and BU. Notice how he starts each sentence with a capital letter and ends with the correct punctuation mark. He also uses very neat handwriting, and he must be a contraction word expert. Notice how he didn't forget to include the apostrophe in his contraction words. Way to go, Dan. First grade, happy June. Welcome to Dictation and Grammar with Miss Phipps. I'm so excited that you get to join me today. For today's lesson, you'll need your YouTube workbook and a pencil. Once you have your materials, you can turn to page 4 that looks exactly like this. Today we'll focus on 3 blends. The first blend we'll focus on is STR. STR, like in the word string. The second blend we'll focus on is SCR. SCR, like in the word scrub. The last blend we'll focus on is SPR. SPR, like in the word spray. Let's get started. Remember to stretch out words where you might hear those blends. You can use the checklist at the bottom of your page to do your very best work. Here's our first sentence. Why didn't Sam get a straw? Why didn't Sam get a straw? Last time, why didn't Sam get a straw? Remember to go back and double check your work before you check your work with my work. Now would be a great time to double check your work. Did you start with a capital letter? Did you end with a question mark? This is an asking sentence. I also heard the STR blend in straw. Make sure your work looks college ready, then go back and find the proper noun. Remember, proper nouns name a specific person, place, thing, and can be days of the week, months of the year, or holidays. Can you find the proper noun in your sentence? Once you do, put a smiley face above it. Always remember to start your proper nouns with a capital letter. If you knew that Sam was the proper noun in this sentence, give yourself a college-ready star. Here's our second sentence. The cat scratched me on Tuesday. The cat scratched me on Tuesday. Last time, the cat scratched me on Tuesday. Once you're done, double check your work. Can you find the proper noun? Once you do, put a smiley face above it. For this sentence, I made sure to stretch out the word scratched. I hear the blend SCR scr at the very beginning. I also know that Tuesday is the proper noun. It's a day of the week. If your work looks college ready, give yourself a college ready star. Here's our last sentence. Why don't you drink Sprite? Why don't you drink Sprite? Last time, why don't you drink Sprite? Once you're done, put a smiley face above the proper noun. Make sure your proper noun begins with a capital letter. I hope you didn't forget to include the apostrophe in the contraction word don't. I also know that Sprite is the proper noun because it's a specific drink. It's a specific thing. I hear the blend SPR, spur, in Sprite. Make sure you ended this sentence with a question mark. It's another asking sentence. If your work looks college ready, give yourself a college ready star. We can't wait to see your amazing work. Make sure you take a picture and send it to your teacher. Until next time.